Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Trax LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7020XX. 26,000 miles on this Trax, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Trax is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of storage space in the rear with removable privacy cover. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Easy to operate heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's. Under the hood, this Trax has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. And don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7020XX to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.